Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 17th, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Databricks presents OfficeQA, an open-source benchmark for AI on corporate documents. It targets grounded reasoning, answering questions from heterogeneous corpora. It uses U.S. Treasury bulletins, 89,000 pages spanning more than 8 decades. OfficeQA contains 246 questions with verifiable answers. Agents including GPT 5.1 and Claude Opus 4 score about 2% without corpus access and below 45% with PDFs. On hard items, accuracy falls under 25%. Errors include table parsing, revised financial values, and chart understanding. In corporate contexts, almost right is insufficient. Wrong metrics or outdated values can have serious consequences. OfficeQA is open source on GitHub and will expand via the Grounded Reasoning Cup 2026. An AI-driven robotic system lets users design and assemble multi-component objects by describing them in words. A generative model creates a three-dimensional mesh from the prompt. A vision language model assigns 2 prefabricated part types, structural components and panels based on geometry and function, labeling surfaces such as seat or backrest. Users can refine designs with natural prompts. Iterations update the mesh. A robot assembles the object from reusable parts that can be disassembled. In a user study, more than 90% of participants preferred these designs over baseline approaches. Applications include rapid prototyping for aerospace and architecture and local fabrication of furniture. Future work adds more part types and nuanced prompts.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. P-I-C-K-E-R-T-D-E. Estimates of data center water use are often misleading and highly dependent on location. Public figures and articles have circulated exaggerated numbers, and unit errors have produced prominent mistakes. Water at data centers is mainly used for cooling. Higher water use can reduce electricity for chillers, and firms often prefer potable water, though some, including Amazon, Meta, and Apple, increasingly use treated wastewater. Regional climate, cooling technology, and the energy mix strongly affect demand. Including off-site water for electricity generation is contested. Experts urge more transparency from companies, since local scarcity can make new AI centers problematic in some regions. Microsoft disabled the IntelliCode extensions for VS Code, marking them deprecated and stopping gray inline suggestions in VS Code 1.107. IntelliCode used a local model and offered unlimited free AI completions. Microsoft points users to the Copilot extension, which provides a free volume of 2,000 suggestions. It offers a suggestion on every input and needs a paid license after the quota. Classic IntelliSense remains free but lacks AI. Affected items include IntelliCode and related extensions, plus TypeScript 7 agents. The release also adds experimental TypeScript 7 support via a Go compiler. npm install at TypeScript native preview, run npx tsgo. Editor agents run after chat closes and can be controlled through chat. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.